I'll do probably some polls for you guys on my YouTube channel, and I'll try to ask you what is the best type foundation for me. What do you think? Welcome, loves, to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga, and I don't really look so good right now. I did off camera my hairstyle, hair routine. You can check out this in the previous videos, but I'm gonna leave down in the description box the link where you can check out the tutorial. And at the same time, I did off camera my foundation, and yeah, it's definitely full coverage foundation. We're still going to be hitting the topic a little bit later if I'm going to be using like a full coverage foundation, or maybe I will go to my regular foundation that I do every single time. I still have my doubts and I still have my thoughts, like what is going to be the best option for me for this wedding day, and not even day, like evening. And yeah, so let's get started. We are going to be talking about makeup, hair, and dresses. So I have two options of dresses, but I will definitely go to the colorful option because I have a white dress. My cousin told me that she's okay with white dress for her wedding day. She doesn't really care if I wear like a white dress or a black dress or any other kind of dresses. If I'm not wearing neon colors, that's fine. But you know, I feel a little bit uncomfortable wearing white dress, not because I feel like I got a permission, that's why I'm still uncomfortable, because there are going to be lots of relatives, lots of friends, and I bet there are going to be lots of talking if I wear like a white dress for a wedding day. That's why I decided that I'm going to skip the part where I'm wearing like a white dress, and I'm going to the colorful option, the option that I saw on Selena Gomez, and finally I found the dress, the dupe of the dress. So Selena wears a satin fabric dress. I have a satin fabric dress as well, so it's kind of similar. Like small details are not the same, but just it's almost the complete dupe of her dress. And the white dress that I will be showing you right in a sec is something that I just have and own, but I will probably wear this for my anniversary this year. It's going to be my 12th anniversary. So let me show you the dress options. It's not even an option actually right now because it's white, and I literally failed my attempts to dye actually a dress, to dye fabric. So the fabric is really thick. It's probably not the best option, but it's going to be evening. That is the main reason why I think it's going to be a better option. This dress was actually a reception dress from one of the brides. So this one is from ASOS, and look at that. So this girl, she purchased that, and I repurchased it from her. Though I love the sleeves, so it's going to be something like that. The sleeves are going to be here, the shoulders are going to be naked. I really love it, and I actually watched Carolina Herrera, if I'm not mistaken, fashion, and she had pretty much similar design, not even design, the fit of the dress. That's why I fell in love, and I thought like, okay, so we're definitely fashionable. 2023 fashion is still here. And then I have another dress. This one is actually my favorite, and I'm definitely wearing this dress. This is a mini dress, and this is such an amazing dupe of Selena's dress. I'm going to be showing this somewhere probably here for you guys. So she's wearing like a red dress. I couldn't find a red dress. I really loved it. I wanted to put on some black dress at the same time, but I couldn't find a black dress, and then I found a black dress, and the cost was outrageous. I guess a new one was pretty much the same price point, so I decided to go along with this beautiful kind of like bluish greenish shade, and this is my dress. I'm gonna be wearing this a little bit later for my actual get ready with me, guys. Now we're gonna carry on with makeup and hairstyle. So I have three options for hair, and I need your opinion on how to do that. So the first option is gonna be curly hair, not this type of curl. This one is a little bit too stiff. I have a little bit bigger iron. I will show you right in a sec. No, I won't show you. I actually left that in my apartment. That's why I have a little bit different curl. If I have a little bit different iron, like the huge one's big one, and I will try to find some photos and videos where I did this type of curl. It's gonna be really big, and it's more like a Hollywood style curl, but this is a small kind of like glimpse of what I'm planning on having on. So it's just curly kind of like hair, but I'm not really sure that with this type of dress it's gonna look pretty. But the second option my cousin suggested, she said that I will probably leave some hair like that. So it's just gonna be a ponytail, but with a beautiful curl. But I guess it's too plain to have just a ponytail for a wedding. Something like that. I don't know, do you like it? I'm not really sure. I guess it's too plain. She suggested this option, but I guess it's nice. It's pretty, but like let me tuck this out a little bit, you know, have some volume. here and there. But I don't really think, I don't know. So this is an option number 2. So I have the first option, just like curling hair. This is the second option. The third option is going to be a bun. So I don't really want to do a sleek bun. I don't really feel like it's going to be good on me, though Selena wears like a sleek bun. I really love it, but I don't really want to use lots of gel, lots of products, hair products, to create something slick, because I feel like with my shape, it's looking really good. It's looking pretty. I will definitely post another photo somewhere here, how it looks on me with a bun. But I'm not really sure if it's looking good. I just want to have some, you know, like some girliness probably. But I was thinking about another option. I actually saw another tutorial from some, I don't know, YouTuber, where people were like, you know, just doing some curls here and there, and then they were like mixing that together and then creating some sort of bun, adding a little bit of texture. And then I thought that it probably would look pretty and sexy, and this is definitely not it. I understand that it's looking super messy right now. I will probably just create some volume, tuck out as well some of it, but you know, just something like that, some sort of bun. Of course it's not it. I will show you the photo of what I will probably have on a little bit later, but I'm super bad at doing some sort of buns and hairstyles, updos. It's just not my thing. It's not my cup of tea. That's why I'm not really good with that, and it's just gonna be some sort of like bun where I'm gonna show everyone my shoulders, like naked shoulders. Maybe it's gonna be like pretty. We are gonna focus on makeup. So as for makeup, I have no idea what is gonna be perfect for this wedding day. Of course, I have only 2 options. The first one is gonna be something super girly, kind of romantic, but I love like dark, kind of smoky looks. Yeah, it's gonna be like evening. That's why I will probably go to some smoky colors. I don't really want to do anything brown. I will probably do something black. I don't want to do bold lips because I feel like bold lips, they're just, you have to do lots of touch-ups because we're still gonna eat, drink, talk. This is actually the foundation. This is a full coverage foundation, the one that I have from Wet n Wild. This is a foundation stick. I am not mad with this foundation. It's looking really dewy, and I would say it's looking good. It's looking really good, but I don't know. It's a little bit creasy, and that's why, I don't know, I want to look flawless. So what do you think, guys? I'll do probably some polls for you guys on my YouTube channel, and I'll try to ask you what is the best type foundation for me. What are you thinking? Like, is it going to be a full coverage or just my regular foundation routine? Then the second poll is going to be about my hairstyle. I will suggest 3 options. Yeah, right now we're going to do like a makeup look, and I will show you something that I will probably keep in mind. This is not a complete look. This is not a complete result. I just want to show you what I have in mind that I will probably play with a little bit later, but just I will show you what is the shape that I have to focus in on. Is it gonna be like a crease probably, or just like smoky, black smoky? Guys, I'm gonna use LA concealer as my primer and then diffuse with my finger. Then I move to my pencil. This is black pencil, and it's really easy to smudge out. Try to pick the one that is not gonna be stiff. With my smaller brush, I want to create like a shape that I wanted to be focusing on. It's basically like a crease, huge shape that I really love. And then with black color from Beauty Bay eyeshadow palette, I wanted to emphasize the shape, the colors, and create this really nice structure that we're going to work with. In the outer corner, I wanted to place a little bit more of the black color. Basically, I'm stamping the shade and I'm not dragging and burning this all over the lid. Then a little bit higher to the crease, I wanted to emphasize the same black color and emphasize the shape. In the inner corner, I didn't want to focus on anything black. I just left my shape with some white pigment, and in between of black and white, I added this beautiful kind of bluish, greenish shade. I went back and forth between black and blue, so it's gonna look really blended. And then I added a little bit of pigment. This is my favorite Essence pigment. You can choose anything, but it's given like this beautiful sparkle with lightning. On the lower lid, I was focusing on my waterline with black pencil. Then I tried to smudge this out with a little bit of black color that I showed you right at the beginning of the video. And then I added a little bit of the blue color to emphasize the shape. And then right at the end, I added a little bit of black liner over my lash line. Then I tried to diffuse it with black eyeshadows. And then last but not least, I added a little bit of mascara. I did 2 coats and I didn't use any lashes. Time to move to my left eye. I did the same LA Girl concealer, then set my lid with beige color from Morphe eyeshadow palette X James Charles, and then used the same black pencil to create the depth for my future makeup look. Then I wanted to focus on blending the shade with a little bit of my brush, and then moved to this beautiful sparkly L'Oreal black eyeshadows that I've been having for ages, honestly. I don't know, I keep using them every single video probably. And then I wanted to create on something soft but really pretty, and that's why I went to this BB pink color for my crease and like the whole lid actually. Then over my lower lid, I wanted to focus on a black color as well. Basically, it's going to be a little bit of black pencil with a mix of black eyeshadows that I used for my upper lid. Then I went back and forth between black and pink to diffuse all the shades. And then I used this really cool mix of both shimmers. This is blue and sort of kind of bluish greenish shade. So I mixed them together, used a wet brush, and then placed them over my middle part of the lid in the inner corner, basically over my black eyeshadows. Then on top, I used the same pigment from Essence, try to fix a little bit my black shape. Then I realized I need a little bit of L'Oreal eyeliner over my lash line, and then added 2 coats of mascara as well. At least for me, I literally hate this eye. I don't know, just something went wrong, and it happens, guys. Sometimes it really happens when I don't really like something that I've created. This is just something that I wouldn't probably wear for a wedding. That's why I love the shape. I will probably keep the shape, and I will probably keep the colors. So in the outer corner, I will create a shape with the help of black pencil or just like black color. And in this area, I will go over with the same blue color, and I will not fill in the shape with the color. I will just create a shape, and that's pretty much it. So for the left eye, I really love it. It's probably given the smokiness that I wanted to do, the softness from the pink color shade, and then I will probably use some falsies. I have no falsies right now, like the proper falsies, small tiny falsies, so they're not going to look crazy. I want to find like really tiny falsies so they're going to complement the whole look, or maybe I will just go with no falsies at all. And then that's, I guess, pretty much it. I guess for my lips, I will go with some lip gloss. It's simple, it's too simple. Or I will do some nude colors, add a little bit of this e.l.f. lipstick. Probably I will do an updo. And do this side. What do you think? So this is the left side. Love it. It's so pretty. It's so subtle. Or like, no, not this side. Okay, so we're gonna keep the shape, but I will just definitely use less color, just a shape. Check out this video. I created this a couple of months ago, I'd say. That's why, yeah. Okay guys, this is it. This is it for today. I hope that you are going to give me a feedback. What should I do? I'm so indecisive. I have no idea what to do for a wedding, but I'm really into this makeup look. Probably I will just update this a little bit or just leave it like that. I'm gonna see you in a bit, guys. By the way, the wedding is gonna be on 14th of July, so I still have some time. Love you guys, and please don't mind my dog. My mom left. she's at a vacation, and she left me with her dog and 2 cats. So my dog is literally crazy every single time my mom walks out of the door. And I'm literally meaning like if she walks out of the door to talk to a neighbor or to just to do something in the garden, she will do something like that, which is weird, but okay. That's why I'm a cat person. Okay, guys, love you so much. I'm gonna see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye bye.